friends, welcome to Shimi's Dastarkhan. In today's busy life, we all want recipes which are quick and easy. So today I'll share an authentic Bengali style shrimp malai curry recipe in a quick and a simple process. Hope you like my recipe, and if you enjoyed watching my video, do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. So let's get started. To make Bengali style shrimp malai curry, here I took 200 to 250 grams of shrimp. They are medium sized. 1 big onion paste, 1 tomato paste, 1 cup of coconut milk. Here I am using the store bought just to fasten up the process, and this makes the recipe quick and easy. 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, few sliced green chilies, turmeric powder, that's the 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, ghee and oil for cooking, and in whole spices I took 1 whole red chili, half inch of cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 1 big cardamom and 3 small cardamom. So now I'll marinate the shrimp with salt and haldi. Give a mix and rest it for about 10 minutes. In a heated pan, I'll add 2 teaspoons of oil and let it heat up. Now as the oil is hot, I'll add the shrimps. Saute the shrimp lightly till they are pink in color. Don't overcook as shrimp cooks very fast. They are sauteed well from both the sides. Now I'll take them out. Now I'll start with the gravy. So in a heated pan goes the oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Let it heat up. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar and let it caramelize. As the sugar is caramelizing, I'll add the whole spices. Here goes the red chili, the cinnamon stick, dalchini, choti ilaichi, long and badi ilaichi. Saute it for a few seconds. They will release the aroma. Sugar has caramelized. Don't burn it. Now I'll add the onion paste. And give a mix. This is the easiest way how to make the shrimp malai curry. Only the process of frying of the onions take little bit of time. Now we'll fry the onion paste nicely. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes. The onions are fried nicely. You can see the change in color. Now here goes the ginger paste. We'll cook it till the raw smell of ginger goes and it fries nicely with the onion paste. Ginger and onion has fried nicely. Now goes the tomato paste. With that, the turmeric powder, red chili powder and the salt. Give a mix, combine everything well. This is the main process of the chingri machang malai curry or the shrimp malai curry, the frying of the masala. As nicely the masala is fried, the gravy will be more tasty. So take your own time and fry the masala. It will take approx 5 to 6 minutes. We have to fry this masala till the oil oozes out from the sides. Wow, the masala is being frying so nicely, and you can see the oil is oozing out from the sides, and there is a nice change in color. So now before adding the coconut milk, I'll give you one tip. You can slow down the flame or switch off the flame, give a mix, and then add the coconut milk. Mix it well. And when everything is combined well, then I'll switch on the flame again. Now I'll cover it and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes or till a nice boil comes. There's a nice bubble. Now I'll add the shrimp. Then the sliced green chilies. Combine everything well. At this stage, if you want, you can add little bit of water as per the gravy. But here I'll add only 1/4 cup of water. Mix everything. I'll add the garam masala. Give a mix and cook it for about 5 minutes more. Quick and easy shrimp malai curry is ready. It's looking so delicious and rich. You can see the silky gravy. It looks very nice. Now we'll dish it out. If you are looking for a delicious and a traditional but a quick shrimp curry recipe, do give this a try. And if you enjoyed watching my video, please hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. So till then, bye.